Today, on this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the Ultegra RX rear derailleur. This is a super cool derailleur from Shimano because it adds a clutch to a road bike derailleur. So let's look at the fusion of road and mountain in this derailleur. Inside the package, it comes out just like pretty much any other Ultegra style derailleur. But when we pop it out, you'll notice that it's no longer the same thing. So basically, we've got this pretty nice looking Shimano Ultegra RX derailleur. It overall looks good. You know, it's got the same sort of look and clean lines of the other Shimano Ultegra derailleurs, but it's got a few things that differentiate itself. Well, first off, the B-link that's on here, this is actually removable. So this is removable like the Shadow Plus mountain bike derailleurs, and they actually call this a Shadow RD Plus, so Road Derailleur Plus. And basically the idea with this B-link is it allows the derailleur to be a little more low profile, be out of the way in case of a crash, but this can actually be removed so that a frame with a direct mount style derailleur hanger can be installed. The other thing that's changed pretty significantly on this is we now have a clutch. And if you look at the clutch, you can see it is a very slim, narrow version. And it would be my guess that this is a XTR style clutch that's just been modified to be able to work on the Shimano Ultegra RX. Now, the reason you want a clutch is because with the clutch turned off, which is the position that it's in right now, basically what's going to happen is the cage can just move super freely. And that's perfectly fine. That allows for nice smooth shifts. But the RX derailleur is designed to go on cyclocross and gravel bikes. That's where the bike is going to be kind of bouncing around like crazy. And when the bike's bouncing around like crazy, you want to turn that clutch on, and now it's going to make it very difficult. You can see I almost can't get the cage to move. And that's because with the clutch turned on, it's going to limit the cage's ability to rotate outwards. And the reason that's going to be helpful is it's going to keep that chain tightened up. But of course, what's neat with the clutch is it's going to allow the derailleur cage, so I've pulled it out, goes back really quickly. So if it does get dislodged, it's going to snap back into place really quickly and allow you to maintain the chain tension so that your chain doesn't fall off of the front rings. Now, one of the things that's different about, say, this derailleur versus something like a Force CX1 is this derailleur is still 2x compatible. And that's because the upper pulley actually rotates on the same axis as the clutch and the knuckle of the derailleur. So you can have a clutch and a 2x. In the aspect of a 2x, this will actually support a 16-tooth jump in the front. So that's a really large jump, so you can get super wide range. And then in the back, this is going to be able to handle all the way up to a 1134 cassette. So that means a total tooth capacity of 39 teeth, which means you can just go crazy with your gearing. Well, now that we've taken a look at some of the features of this Shimano Ultegra RX derailleur, let's go ahead and pop it on our scale and we'll see what it weighs in at. So the RX derailleur comes in at a pretty lightweight 243 grams. So overall, this is one heck of an addition for your gravel or cyclocross bike, especially if you already have an Ultegra group set. That means you can just swap this right on with 6800, R8000, any of the current generation 11-speed drivetrains. You should be able to put this right on, and it's going to give you a heck of a lot more derailleur control over the chain. Well, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, also leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this derailleur.